Here we go.
Oh, the dinosaur.
What animal is that?
A mouse.
What's this?
Fox.
What about this one?
Bison.
That one?
A bison.
What about this one?
A puffin.
What about this one?
A matty.
Very good.
A crocodile.
Close to a crocodile. What's like a crocodile? Very similar to a crocodile. Ah.
Oh, okay.
This one.
Big bad wolf.
Gray wolf.
Gray wolf.
This is Mom's favorite.
A giraffe.
This is a tough one.
A bear.
What kind of bear? Koala bear.
Koala bear.
Do you remember what this is? A lemur.
A lemur.
It's like a white little monkey with a dark face.
Yeah.
This one?
A sea.
Prairie dog.
Prairie dog.
Yeah. This one. What's this one?
A turkey.
Turkey.
You got a kangaroo. An
Orca. Tough.
Yeah.
Here's a tough one. Stands up. Meerkat.
Milk. A grizzly bear.
Grizzly bear. Very good.
Zebra.
Here's one.
A mountain goat.
Mountain goat.
An elephant.
Your favorite? Here's this one.
A
Sea
otter.
Sea otter.
Yeah, otter.
What's this one?
Oh.
It's got spots on it. You know what it is.
A leopard.
A leopard. Very good. Do you remember this bird? Do you remember this bird?
A toucan.
A toucan. Very good. What about this one?
An eagle.
What kind of eagle?
Bald eagle.
Exactly. Good job. This is a good one. Do you remember this one?
Horn sheep. Big horn sheep.
Bighorn sheep. Exactly. Do you remember this little stinker?
A raccoon.
Raccoon. Good job.
Yeah.
Another one. It's got stripes.
A tiger.
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 What's this stinky guy? What's this stinky guy?
A fox.
No, it's got a white stripe. Sometimes you get this one, sometimes you don't. It's black and white. It smells. It sprays you. A
Skunk.
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 What about this one?
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee. Very good. This is your hard one. What insects does this animal eat with its big nose?
Meat eater.
No. An ant eater.
Ant eater.
Good job. All right, here's this bird that doesn't fly. It looks like a raptor almost.
Ostrich.
Ostrich, very good.
A squirrel.
Looks like a squirrel. It's but the one we see on the river walk every time. The little ones. Chipmunk.
Chipmunk.
Be careful. It's this one.
A moose.
Good job. Do you remember what this is?
A dragon.
Komodo dragon.
Komodo dragon.
This one?
A crocodile.
Right. Do you remember what this is? Look at the shape of its bill. What is it?
A
Spoonbill.
spoonbill.
What's this one?
Orangutan.
This is a tough one.
A
Sloth. Sloth.
sloth.
Sloth.
Sloth.
Sloth.
Sloth. A funny monster.
Gila monster. Very close.
Gila
Good job. That was a good one. What's this?
A moose.
Mm-hmm.
A gorilla.
Gorilla. What about this one?
A monkey.
Howler monkey, because he's howling.
Our monkey is howling. A walrus. A
Badger.
badger.
Badger, because he's eating that snake and he's got a stripe and big claws.
A hippopotamus. A rhino. A polar bear. A beaver.
It's in your book. It's got 8 arms. It's underwater.
Hippopotamus. Octopus.
Octopus. Very good. Do you remember this one? Smaller than a lion, a tiger, lives in the mountains. Cougar.
A deer. A white-tailed deer.
A white-tailed deer. Yep.
A snake.
Snake.
A bobcat. A penguin.
Hold on, finish. We got a few more to go.
Crocodile. A bear.
What kind? Black. What color is he?
A lion. A flying squirrel.
Flying squirrel.
A
Snake.
A
Orca.
whale.
Last one.
A coyote.
Very good, buddy. Good job. Give me 5. High 5. Double 5s. Yow!